Everyone, my name is Mohini Ajneri. Our topic is audio signal processing. The problem statement of audio signal processing. Human hearing system provides a great sense of the environment with respect to location and variation of the sound of various objects, living or non-living. Our system is capable to process any complex mixture of sound at same time. The same system development using machines require high level of the efforts on processing the audio signals, which actually is kept complex task to do, but it is easily done by the filtering. The introduction of audio signal processing, the modification and described by the auditory signal and sounds. It is at the heart of the recording, enhancing, storing and transmitting the audio content. Audio signals processing is used to convert the between analog and digital format, to cut or boost selected frequency ranges, to remove the unwanted noise, and to add effects, and to obtain the many other desired results. Of the audio signal is representation of sound, typically using the level of the electrical voltage for the analog signals and series of the binary numbers of digital signals. What is the audio signal processing? The audio signal processing is that the concern with the electronic manipulation of the audio signal. Audio signal are electronic representation of the sound waves to longitudinal waves, which travels through air, consisting of compression and refraction of the energy contents of the audio signal, may be represented in either digital or analog. Format processing may be occur in either domain. Analog processor operates directly on the electrical signal, while the digital processor operates mathematically on the digital representation of the system. The audio signal have frequency. The audio frequency range 20 to 20,000 Hz, with correspond to the lower to upper limit of the human hearing. The motivation of the audio signal processing. The audio signal is beginning the 20th centuries. The invention like the telephone, phonograph, and radio that allowed for the transmission and storage of the audio signal. The audio signal processing is necessary for the early radio broadcasting, as there were many problems with studio to transmitter links. The objectives of the audio signal processing: to implement the MATLAB, to implement sampling to audio or musical signal, the reconstruction of the audio or musical signal, to perform the filtering of the audio or musical signals. Let's the sampling of the reconstruction. First, the sampling process of the converting continuous signal to discrete time signal. The conversion of continuous time signal into the discrete time signal. The taking samples of continuous time signals is discrete time instance of the capital T is the sampling interval. This time interval of the T is sampling period or sampling interval. The x of n is equals to x of n of t. Conceptually, the conversion of x of t to x of n achieved by the continuous time to discrete time converter. The CD converter of the analog system. The continuous time to discrete time frequency x of t to x of n is converted into x of n. The DC converter of the analog audio signal processing. The discrete time to continuous time x of n is converted into x of t. The process of transforming x of n is back into the x of t. An audio filter is frequency dependent amplified circuit working in the frequency range 0 Hz to 20 kHz. The audio filter is amplifying, pass or attenuate some frequency ranges. Many types of filters exist for the different audio application, including the hi-fi stereo systems, musical synthesizer, sound effects, sound reinforcement systems, instruments amplifier, and virtual reality system. The low pass, high pass, band pass, and all pass are some types of filters. The MATLAB code of the audio signal processing. The Y is to sample the data into Y, and the sampling rate of the data to f of s. F of s is the sampling frequency. Plot Y. Z is equals to FFT Y. Z, the fast Fourier transform of the system. The ABS is the returns absolute value of the elements in array of Z. ABS is the returns the complex module of the default Z is an array. Z is equals to Z1 is equals to FFT shift in bracket M. Rearrange the Fourier transform of M by shifting the zero frequency component to the center of the array. The figures 2, the plot M, the figure 3 is a plot Z, the implementing by the MATLAB. The implemented by MATLAB output of the system. The frequency ranges of the audio signal processing. The implementation of MATLAB on MATLAB is represented at the waveform ranges to filter out the audio signals of the MATLAB. The conclusion of the MATLAB: from successfully implement the sampling and reconstruction of the audio or musical signal on the MATLAB also can perform the filtering of audio and musical signals. Thank you.